This newest laminating machine is designed to eliminate common pain points. The GBC Foton 30 feeds, laminates and trims for you. Watch the video to see for yourself. Stack, laminate and go. It's fully automatic. Simply insert your documents in the tray, press the run button and walk away. Significantly reduces the number of steps compared to traditional pouch lamination. The GBC Foton 30 automatically feeds and laminates while you attend to other business. It's about time. Save 98% of your time compared to manual pouch loading and feeding. Let the Foton 30 laminator do all the work for you. Our innovative automatic laminator frees you up to focus on other projects. No more pouches. Loading laminating film is simple with our auto threading cartridges. Just place the cartridge in the machine, close the lid and start laminating. From loading to automatic laminating and trimming, the GBC Foton 30 lamination system is built to make your job easier. Click the link below for reviews and limited discount offer right now.